If you've been looking for a simple way to export from Evernote, this tutorial is going to walk you through it step by step. Whether you want to back up your notes, move everything to another app, or just save your notebooks for safekeeping, exporting from Evernote is quick once you know where to click. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your Windows or Mac computer. This is important because exporting notes and notebooks is best done from the desktop version, not from the mobile app. Once Evernote is open, take a look at the sidebar on the left. From here, you can choose whether you want to export an entire notebook or just a few selected notes. If you want to export a whole notebook, click on Notebooks in the sidebar, then hover over the notebook you want to export. You should see a three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Actions menu. Click that, and then choose Export Notebook. If you only want to export specific notes, go to your note list and select the notes you want. On Windows, you can hold down Ctrl to select multiple notes. On Mac, hold down Command to select multiple notes. After selecting the notes, right-click on them and choose Export. This gives you control over exactly what you want to save, which is super helpful if you only need a few notes instead of your entire workspace. Next, Evernote will ask you to choose a file format. You'll usually see two main options: ENEX and HTML, if you're planning to move your notes into another app later, or you want a format that can be restored back into Evernote. ENEX is usually the best choice. It keeps your notes structured and is the most common export format for backup and migration. If you want something easier to open in a browser and view like a normal web page, choose HTML. That can be useful if you just want to read or archive your notes outside of Evernote. After that, Evernote may let you choose which note attributes to include in the export. This can include things like tags, creation dates, and author information. If you want a full backup, it's usually a good idea to leave those details included. But if you want a cleaner export, you can uncheck any metadata you don't need. Once your format and options are set, click Export. At this point, Evernote will ask you where you want to save the file. Choose a location on your computer, such as your desktop or a backup folder, so it's easy to find later. Then click Save. Evernote will generate the export file and save it to your chosen location. If you exported a notebook, you'll have one file for that notebook. If you exported several notes, you'll have a file containing all of those selected notes. And that's really all there is to it. You've now exported your notes from Evernote and saved them in a format you can keep, back up, or move somewhere else. This is a great habit if you want to protect important information or switch productivity apps in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.